have the RC bent around the corners, not just a curve. But behind me, this is 19-degree angles EA500H8V LED displays. It's got a whole lot of interesting. I will size EA500H8V's LED screens. Apart, it is bevel-side design. A right angle video words can be accessed both more quickly during the sensing process. So now let's take a look at the LED module. The magnetic LED modules are very easy to remove, eliminating the need to repeatedly remove the LED module, so saving a lot of time. Quick maintenance can be performed simply by unlocking the safety lock and pushing or using the suction cup. What's even more surprising is that the power supply box also features a detachable design. And this kind of LED display is EA500H8V LED display. It is super easy to install, and because this unique design, so it's very popular around the world. So if you are really interested in this LED display, just choose this ideal LED display EA500H8V. Just contact Judy. I'm waiting for you. Bye.